Today, we're going to talk about a topic that every dog lover adores: the 10 most beautiful dogs in the world. Each breed has its own unique charm, but some are known for their captivating beauty that makes anyone fall in love at first sight. So, get ready to meet these furry friends that exude cuteness and elegance. We start with the Pomeranian. This little dog is small in size but huge in the cuteness department. With its fluffy coat and teddy bear-like face, the Pomeranian is truly enchanting. Besides being cute, it's known for its energy and vibrant personality, making it even more irresistible. Its alert gaze and always cheerful expression win hearts wherever it goes. Next, we have the Golden Retriever, one of the most popular dogs in the world. With its golden coat, gentle eyes, and sweet temperament, the Golden Retriever is a classic example of canine beauty. In addition to its looks, this dog is famous for being extremely friendly and loyal, making it the perfect companion for any family. Its elegant build and graceful walk complete the picture of perfection. The Siberian Husky is another breed that couldn't be left out of this list. With its striking eyes, often blue, and thick coat, the Husky resembles a wolf, but with a touch of softness that captivates. These dogs have vibrant energy and are known for their independent personality. The beauty of the Husky is so impressive that it has become an icon, appearing in films and advertising campaigns worldwide. Another highlight is the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. This little dog is the embodiment of grace and sweetness. With its large expressive eyes and long, silky ears, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel exudes classic beauty. Moreover, it's known for being extremely affectionate and adaptable, making it an excellent companion, whether for an active family or someone looking for a calmer friend. The Shih Tzu also deserves a prominent place among the most beautiful dogs. With its long, soft coat often styled elegantly, the Shih Tzu looks like it walked out of a movie scene. These dogs are known for their calm and loving temperament, making them ideal for those seeking a pet that combines beauty with a sweet personality. Another contender on the list is the Samoyed, famous for its constant smile and snow-white coat. This dog always seems happy, with its joyful expression that's simply irresistible. The Samoyed is also a very social dog and loves being surrounded by people, which, combined with its appearance, makes it a favorite among dog lovers. The Bichon Frisé is also a strong candidate when it comes to beautiful dogs. With its white, curly coat, it looks like a little walking cloud. Besides being extremely cute, the Bichon Frisé is known for its cheerful and playful temperament. It's the kind of dog that makes anyone smile, not just because of its beauty, but also due to its contagious energy. We can't forget the Akita Inu, a breed that uniquely combines strength and beauty. With its dense coat and dignified posture, the Akita Inu is a dog that exudes power and elegance. Its small, penetrating eyes, along with its serene expression, make it one of the most impressive and beautiful dogs you'll find. The Chow Chow also deserves its place on the list. With its dense, fluffy coat, it looks like a big lion cub. The Chow Chow is known for its loyalty, and despite its robust appearance, it's quite reserved and calm. Its blue tongue and unique expression make it unmistakable and absolutely charming. Finally, we have the Maltese, a small dog with delicate beauty. Its silky white coat, often adorned with bows, makes it one of the most elegant dogs. The Maltese is known for its affectionate behavior and being an excellent companion dog. Its combination of beauty and sweetness makes it one of the most beloved dogs in the world. These are just a few of the dogs that captivate hearts around the globe. Each with its unique beauty, captivating personality, and undeniable charm. Which one stole your heart? Did you like the video? Then don't forget to leave a like, and subscribe to the channel to keep receiving all the updates. See you in the next video.